guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa if you're new, and this week I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a galaxy inspired unicorn makeup look. And without further ado, let's get started. I did already put just a layer of foundation on my face to get started with, but I'm going to use the Maybelline New York Bare Color Fit Me Concealer.
Tryna put him in the worst mood. P1 cleaner than the church shoes. Really point to just to hurt them. All red lamps to tease them. None of these toys on lease to. Made the whole year in a week to. Main chick out of their league to. Side chick.
I just noticed that this brush, it's kind of like a highlight brush, it matches my nail polish, and I had no idea that it matched. I'm gonna apply it right along kind of the bottom of my cheekbone.
House so empty, need a centerpiece. 20 racks a table cut from ebony. Cut that ivory into skinny pieces, and she clean it with her face, but you love your baby. You talking money, need a hearing aid. They talking about you, you don't see the shade. Switch up your style, you take any lane. Switch up your cup to kill any pain. Look what you've done. You're a pretty little star boy. Look what you've done. You're a pretty little star boy.
I know I look really funny because I've kind of got these like goggles on, but it'll look good, I promise. Okay. And then we're just gonna kind of close off this goggle thing by just putting a light, very light pink here. Now we've kind of completed the goggle look. So we've got our goggles on. Now we're gonna go in with some blue. I'm gonna kind of mix between these two blue palettes here, and are going to put this right on the bridge of our nose. I kind of look like that girl Violet Beauregard. Violet, you're turning violet. Now I'm going to take the Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush just because it's a little bit more compact. And I'm going to use this color right here, which is kind of the aqua blue. I really need to get as much as I can on this brush to try to get it kind of into the smaller corner of my inner eye, and then just kind of drag that down.
You're a pretty little star boy.
Okay, so now you should kind of have like three kind of colors going on. You should have kind of like the pink, and then the blue, and then like the deepest blue right here in the middle. So we're going to go back to our fluffy glitter brush here. Take some of that darker blue right here, put it onto the brush, kind of tap it out a little because you don't want it to be super strong, and just kind of lightly go over kind of the top of the cheekbone, dragging down from the nose, the bridge of the nose. So now we're just going to kind of go in, and we kind of want it to blend all together a little bit. So we're just going to kind of sort of transition colors from one to the other. So just kind of taking in, dipping my brush into kind of all three colors a little bit, and kind of just going into these spaces and just kind of just blending the crap out of it. So now I'm going to go back in and do my eyebrows, and I'm going to use the NYX Dark Brown Eyebrow Powder, and I have the e.l.f. I think this is their liner brush. I'm just going to kind of dip in here, and I'm not going to do my eyebrows too dark because my wig, as you guys will see, is kind of like a dirty pink, so I don't want them to be super dark, but I am going to darken them up just a little bit. My handy dandy mirror here.
You're a pretty little star boy. Every day somebody trying to test you. Every day somebody trying to end you. Pull up in the road to rescue. Pockets overweight.
Okay, so there is our eyebrows. Now moving on, I'm gonna do these kind of little stars and galaxy dots all along my face, and for that I'm gonna use the NYX Professional Makeup White Liquid Liner, which is this guy right here. Use this brush here, and I'm just gonna kind of do, this is not a brush, this is a mirror. I'm gonna use this mirror here to just kind of help me get in to do a little bit of the detail. So I'm just gonna kind of do it sporadically. I'm not really looking for a certain design. I'm just gonna kind of do like little stars and dots all along my face.
Coming for the king, that's a far cry. Come alive in the fall time. No competition, you don't really listen. In the blue moon slime, want a new edition. Hustle if you need a centerpiece. 20 off the table, cut from ebony. Put that ivory in a skinny pieces.
Okay, so now that we have finished glittering my face up, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner, put on my lashes. For the liner, I'm using the Ciate Fierce Flick, which is a felt tip liner, and I'm just gonna kind of do this off camera because I can't do my liner like far away from a mirror. Like I need to be like right up in it like this, and I need like my big mirror to do it because I pull on my face, and it's a whole thing, you guys. You know what the process is to do like a nice winged liner. So that's what I'm gonna do. So give me a second, I'll be right back. Alright, so lashes are on, and I realized that there's like a lot going on up at the top, and there's not really anything going on like on the bottom of my lashes. So I'm just gonna do like a little bit of a smoky eye with the Smashbox Always On Gel Liner. Alright, there we go. That makes our eyes pop a little bit more. And now we're gonna finish off the look. Actually, no, we have like a couple more steps. I'm gonna do the liquid lip from BareMinerals in the color Smooch, and this is a matte color. So that kind of made my lips disappear, but I'm going to go ahead and put on this Express liquid lips that is kind of like a metallic-y color, so it'll make it nice and shiny. And now we are going to finish off this look with a little bit of highlights. I'm going to use this, I don't know how to pronounce this, I'm going to butcher it. I think it's Doucce Freematic highlighter, and it's like a really pretty highlight. And of course you have to have some highlight, you know, on your face when you're a unicorn. So we're just gonna take our brush that we were using the other stuff on and just kind of do the tip of the nose, and then the tops of the cheeks.
Bought my crib and a brand new wagon. Now she at the grocery shop looking lavish. Star Trek roof in the Wraith.
It's like a really pretty highlight. Normally I wouldn't do this much highlight, but it's Halloween, so live it up, girl. Try to get a little bit more up there, like so you can like see me from space. Okay, a little bit on the Cupid's bow. Ooh, girl. Ooh, girl. We're gonna be blinding them. All right, guys, so that is the makeup look, and I'm gonna show you now with the wig and the unicorn horn. And I'm just kind of styling this with a white bodysuit. As you guys can see, I'm just kind of wearing a white bodysuit, and I will tag down below the wig as well as the unicorn ears. I will show you guys this complete makeup look in just a second.
A pretty little Starboy. Look what you've done. A pretty little Starboy. Look what you've done. A pretty little Starboy.
All right, guys, so this is the finished look. I hope hope you guys enjoyed following me along. And if you guys decide to create this look or something similar of your own, please tag me in my social media because I would love to check it out. But yeah, so I hope you guys liked it. It's a pretty easy look to do and you can customize it really any way that you want. So if you haven't liked and subscribed already, make sure that you hit that subscribe button down below so you can see more videos. This look was inspired by a picture that I saw on Pinterest, so I'll go ahead and pop that up on the screen and you guys can go ahead and recreate this look on your own, and I will see you guys next week. Bye guys.